Hello everybody, welcome back to the RostyMaths channel and welcome back to this ratio video. So we're coming down to the end of our ratio series at the minute. So if you would like to check the playlist popping out on the pop-out banner right now to see all the other videos that I've got on ratio, I'll put a link in the description as well. Anyway, today we are converting ratio to fractions and vice versa. Okay, so in front of you there you can see the question. Now before I start answering the question, let's first of all have a play with something really simple, and once I show you this very simple concept, you're going to fully understand this topic and look for links with it. So in a classroom I am going to draw my version of stick people. So I have got let's say we've got two girls and we have got what would be three boys. Don't judge me on my stick people, okay? So I've got two girls and three boys. So the question is, what is my ratio of girls to boys? Now you can see straight away that the ratio of girls to boys is that I've got two girls to three boys. But here's the trick question. What fraction of my students are girls? Now, because you're really good students, you know that I've got two girls and three boys, but altogether I've got five people. So because I've got five people, then the girls, fraction of girls will be 2/5. Now let's look for some links then. How does this link to that? Well, two girls, three boys, altogether five. So you add the 2 and the 3, you get 5, so you know you're dealing with 5 people. 2 of them are girls, so therefore 2 out of 5. And that's it. So when we go to do this question now, simple question. In a bag, there are blue sweets and red sweets. The ratio of blue sweets to red sweets is 5:3. Don't forget, in ratio, you must have it in a particular order. So blue to red would be 5:3, like that. What fraction are red? Well, you can see that there are 3 reds, but all together, when you add them together, we got 8 sweets. So therefore, red would be 3/8. And just like that, that is it. But what if you have to go the other way? What if you're given a fraction, like in this second question? In a bag, there are only yellow sweets. Oh, I forgot to put my extra E there. So let's just drop that in. There are yellow sweets and red sweets. 3/5 of the sweets are red. What is the ratio of yellow to red? Now, again, if you're working backwards, you can see that it's out of 5. So if 3/5 are red, then it means you've got 3 red and 2 yellow. So make sure you put these in order then. We've got yellow to red because that is how we've been asked the question, yellow to red there. If I've got 3/5 are red, it means I've got 3 red, but it needs to add up to 5, so what's missing is 2. So yellow to red is a 2:3 ratio. And that brings us to the end of this very simple video on changing ratio to fraction and backwards. Did you get it? If you did, smash that like button, and if you haven't subscribed as yet, please subscribe below, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss another upload. But for now though, until I see you on the next one, peace.